Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm gonna show you where you can find the enemy's legend in Wukong game. To do that, you should open the equipment, and here you have journal. So in journal, we have the portraits block, as you can see. And for example, I know I wanna find information about Jaguar chiefs, and here, so I'm not opened any Jaguar chiefs, can see, and here, for example, but in laser yogais, I don't know how to read that. We can find legend of each of enemies. For example, Wolf Soldier. Sunswept hills they court and treat, from glint of steel their daily bread. Far flung from their native land, at nights for home their souls shall stand. Oh my god, this is the poem! Okay, so as you can see here we have the poem about Wolf Soldier, and maybe the poem for each of them. Wow, it's really great. And neither sky cares, nor earth will halt. By liquors, love holds spirits at fault. Wow. So as you can see, the legend of any enemies we can find here. And it's really cool. And here, as you can see, we have very beautiful animation. Wow, it's so meditative. Unfortunately, the game is not. But, you know, it's a fighting game. So maybe it's not supposed to be meditative. Thanks for watching, like this video, and now, as you can see, I should restart the game to disable ray tracing. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you, and bye. See you.